360 Cleaner Robot. Later Slam intelligently perceives the surroundings and smartly plans a cleaning path. Intelligently build a map to view the cleaning path in real time. 1800 Pascal super vacuum suction, sweeping and mopping integrated for deep cleaning. Infrared detection, no dead zone around all corners. Identify obstacles to slow down automatically. Radar anti-collision. Identify the path width to prevent being stuck. Intelligent cliff identification to prevent damage from the drop. Super obstacle climb, cross the environment obstruction. Intelligent recognition of carpets, automatically increase suction. No need to carry, just a click to start a pointed zone cleaning. Set the restricted area with app. Follow the instruction resolutely. Automatically recharge when battery is low. And resume cleaning tasks when power is full.